Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, it's been a minute since we've done like a proper unboxing, but your girl is a Sheglam insider as of probably a few weeks ago. Very, very strange. I don't know how it happened and I don't care. I'm grateful. I got the notification on Instagram that they wanted to reach. Listen, whatever. I got my first gift right here. So I could have got a surprise gift or I could choose a collection. I believe and I chose Adventure Time. I didn't know they had it. I didn't know they had full collections. Like, this is crazy. And so hence the makeup. I did my blush favorites, but I also felt very Princess Bubblegum. So it was perfect. So guys, let's see what I got with my first gift as a Sheglam insider. So if you guys want to see and unbox with me, keep on watching. Alright, so we have my mermaid unboxing knife. I don't even know if this is upside down or what. This looks upside down. Maybe I don't. I don't know. But let's get it. I'm so excited. So in this insider group, they asked for feedback on new collections, reviews. Like it's really cool. Everybody's very responsive and supportive. Like it's really like it's dope to be in there. They asked for someone asked for any suggestions on like a new collection. Someone said Coraline, and I wanted to scream. I love Coraline. I love Coraline. That'd be so dope. But let's get into it, y'all. You know what I love? Because this is Adventure Time. I used to love The Marvelous Misadventure of Flapjack. Like, if you guys, that was my show. I still want I don't know where we get it now, but I want 2 tattoos. One with Flapjack and one with Kid Nichols. On the count of these 2. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Alright. First of all, let's talk about. If you guys do how many things I just knocked over my desk. But oh my god. Hey guys. Oh my god. It looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh, the pack. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Oh my god, let's take his panties off. Let's take the bra off first. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at this fucking packaging. This is the full collection set. And it's so soft. Oh my god. I think I gotta take a picture of this. I had to take a picture of this. Oh my god. No, stunning. The packaging is sickening. Oh my god. I don't want to tear this. Okay, let's try to open this so I could put. Oh my god. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be this. Wow. So all the all the information, ingredients, everything's on the back. How does this open? Guys, I feel like I need to kind of just do this I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. So here it is, guys. This is like the best. Oh my god, this is like the best. This is the best collection I've ever opened. The packaging, everything. Oh my god. Oh my glob. We know who says that. So here's a little note. The Fiona and Cake Saga Volume 5. A Maiden Fair, a Warrior Cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's telling you everything that's in here. So embark on a beauty quest with the Adventure Time and Sheglam collection. Create endless, inspired looks with the Adventure Time Shadow Palette and channel Ice King's Cool with Icy Hearts multi-chrome highlighter. Oh my god. I love a multi-chrome, dual chrome highlighter. Wow, add some bubbling magic with the cream blush duo. I'm literally wearing a duochrome highlight right now and a cream blush. This is for me, for real. And give your lips a gem-worthy glow with the Heroes Only Shimmery Lip Gloss and Oh My Glob Tinted Lip Mask. Keep your look Fin and Jake fresh with the BFF setting powder, and don't forget the lemongrass sponge because perfection is anything but unacceptable. Unacceptable! This is so... I'm gonna cry. This is so... oh my god, I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna put everything back. Ooh. I'm gonna have to use this when I come back from vacation and give you guys a whole look, but... Wow. I'm so amazed. Here's the rest. Let's see what we have in here. And I'm gonna be as neat as I can for me because I want to... Is this his fucking hat? Oh my god, it's Finn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Who's that girl? It's me. It's Finn. This is amazing. This collection, oh my god. I don't think anybody understands how happy this makes me. I really, really love Adventure Time. I really love Adventure Time. Okay, so here it is. Everything is in here. We have the palette, I guess that's the lip gloss, the lemongrass sponge, the blush, and Ice King's highlight. Oh my gosh. I'm being very careful as I can be, because I'm a mess. Let me put my hat back, because I think I need to take more pictures of this. I'm just so impressed. This is so, oh my god. Sheglam. You didn't have to eat the girlies up with a collection like this. You didn't have to do it. You ain't have to. Let's get into the stuff. My knees are sweating. Let's do it. What's this? Okay, so this is the BFF setting powder. Oh my god. Guys, it's Finn and Jake in the setting powder. Can you guys see? I'm like in the cameraman nosy, like, wow. But it's so pretty. The rim is good too. Who that? They said it's the setting powder. I don't know. It's got a little shimmer to it. There's like some highlight. The eyes. Jake's eyes have a little shimmer to it. Okay. Okay. There's stuff on the bottom. Sorry. It's not, I just realized there's a tab. They're too, oh my god, okay. I can't do this. This is too much for me. All right, so this is the Icy Hearts Multi-Chrome Highlighter, and it's got a little, can you guys see that? Probably not. So I'll check back when I'm editing. I probably look stupid, but, ooh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's blush all over this arm thing. I don't even know where to put it, but oh my god, it's so pretty. It has like flecks of like purple and blue. I love it. We have this. This is the Bubbling Cream Blush Duo, and it has Princess. Guys, it's Princess Bubblegum and Marceline. Oh my god. Oh, there's a mirror, but oh my god, it has a deeper like wine blush. I just did blush. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna relax. And a really, really pink blush. Oh my god, this is so cute. I was not expecting that. Okay, so we have the lemongrass sponge. Guys, no, they thought of everything. And it's very soft. I like it. I don't know, maybe we can get in the corners with this, but I would probably use this end to like carve out the cheeks with my setting powder. But it's a really soft sponge. We gotta see what it's like wet, but the packaging, you guys don't understand. Oh my god. Okay, all right. How am I gonna get this out? And look at this. It has her face. You can turn it. Okay. You turn it. Oh, okay. And you twist it up. I don't want to do that. I do want to do it. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Maybe I did too much. It's like purple. Ooh, it smells like a faint grape. And it looks like grape jelly. Oh my gosh, it smells really good actually. So cute. Like her face is, look. I feel like you guys understand. Okay, let's go in. These are the lip glosses. So we have, this is the Heroes Only Shimmery Lip Gloss. We have Jake on there. So it's a yellow gold lip gloss. Really nice. At the last one, I'm going to check out the actual applicator. Ooh, and this one is, oh wait, I guess they're all the same. Oh, here we go. The shade for this one is Shapeshifter. If you know, you know, because it's shape. This one is Frosty. Well, yeah, Frosty. Very pretty blue. Which I think with that highlight, oh my. This one, we have Princess Bubblegum on it, is in Pebbles. Very, very pink. Oh, I could have used this today. Look good. And of course, we have Marceline with, and this is gorgeous. Oh, Vampire Queen. Look at that. So beautiful. I love it. Okay, yes, let's check out the applicator. Let's see what kind of doe foot it is. Oh, wow. I've not seen this. It's like a curved, flat doe foot. Wow. That's like really good. All right, and last but not least, let's check out the eyeshadow palette. It just says Sheglam on it, and Adventure Time. It says the Land of Ooh palette. Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, hold on. You guys know I hate these things, but look how cute. It has like images on them. I'm covering the mirror, but it's been tagged. Okay. Thank you for not putting the shade names on that. It's not on the back either. It's just directly right on the palette. Already I can see a good array of colors. A good array of colors. There's a good amount of mattes too. You can get a bunch of looks out of it. This blue is gorgeous. For Marceline, this blue, I don't think I have this blue in anything. The closest I have is the Nomad Cosmetics Dolphin in the, I think it's the Paradise Islands palette. But that is beautiful. Princess Bubblegum is also really, really nice. Wow. This nude is fin. Like this is a really good, wait, this is a cream. Stonesy, this black here is a cream. Possibly an eyeliner. I have a palette like that. So I would use this as an eyeliner, like a cream eyeliner, or I would use this to get a really, really nice smoky eye with this brown next to it in Fear Feaster. But like Cake Titan, they have beautiful, beautiful shimmers in here. It looks like some, oh, it's gorgeous. My problem with a lot of collection palettes is they don't give you enough mattes, but I think you have the perfect amount of mattes and shimmers, and they look like different formulas for the shimmers too. There's like foiled shimmers and like a standard shimmer, but this is so pretty, so versatile. I don't think, usually I feel like they're complimentary palettes. You get one or two looks. I think you can get so many looks out of this. It is gorgeous. Again, wow. I was not expecting this collection. It's fucking gorgeous. Okay. I can't wait to try it. Again, I'm probably not gonna try this at vacation, but look how beautiful. Oh my god. All right, so that is the Sheglam X Adventure Time collection. Initial thoughts, just the packaging itself is super, super sick. It's so good. Let's get a thumbnail. It's Adventure Time. I just feel like they gave you everything you need, but this is gorgeous. I'm just gonna close it back because it was so beautiful. It's so good. That is it for my Adventure Time Sheglam collection unboxing. Super happy to have this. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see what other collections they release. I let you guys know how it is being a Sheglam insider. It's not paid, but it does give me more content ideas. It gives me a chance and opportunity to try out new products, to even give my thoughts and ideas, and to see what could be coming of those thoughts and ideas with everyone in the group and their collections, just to see what happens next. But this, I have not been happy with the full collection like this. So hopefully bring back some more nostalgia collections and just like fun ideas. But makeup is supposed to be fun, like I always say, and I can definitely get some really, really fun looks out of all of these products. I just love this so much. Wow, thank you, Sheglam. But that is it. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out a lot. What product are you most excited to see me try? Because that lip tint is kind of crazy, but those lip glosses and that highlight, wow. I said wow. What a life. It's so beautiful. I love it. But that is it, guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I always post there. This look is going to be there soon. It's got to be there soon. I post mostly in my stories, so check that out. And I'm kind of funny, so follow me. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.